bless it. You're not gonna let him get loose and get nuts on him?
Nah, he'll be fine.
Look, so you think he, oh, bless it. He's about a month old?
Yeah, he's not very old at all.
His feet. Oh, he looks just outraged.
He ain't too happy, but...
Whoa, amazing. So he's gonna get some squirrel.
Yeah.
And rehabilitated. Now, do you tend to bring them back? Do you set them loose or what?
Normally I'll hunt like a year or two with them, and then I'll release them.
Do you release them back about the area they were born?
Usually.
So you could bring them back here. Wow, you teach them how to hunt? Is that why you hunt with them?
They already know how to hunt. I just go along for the ride. I scare up all the food for them.
You better come look.